Page 16, A Little Scherzo. 2/4 time, no sharps or flats, we're in the key of C major. A scherzo is kind of a fun, prankish, jokish thing. Who knows, anything goes, whatever. Even the speed they say is scherzando, which means little to me. It just think of a fun, prankish thing. Let's just check the notes first. Now, you're not playing in octaves here, so the notes in the hands are different. So the right hand, you're starting up here. I'm just going to connect everything for now. Eighth notes, 1 and 2 and 1. So I'm not staying here, but then when I get to measure 8, you're here. Measure 9, you got to come down 1 key. And then you come down again. Measure 13, come down again. 4, 3, 2. I like using different fingers on repeated notes. Not everybody does, but I like that. So that's fine with me if you want to do that. Left hand, it's the same rhythm, but you're up here. Treble clef in the bottom staff. And then when you get to measure 8, you're here. And then measure 9, you just reach down, you go down 1. Go down again. Go down again. That's kind of fun. Now put the hands together. So you're here and here. And then here. In case you're wondering, this distance is an interval of a sixth. We're basically playing it in parallel sixths. I mean, you can do that, obviously, because it's here. Let's go to measure 8. You're here. And both hands come down. Ending in octaves here finally, because it's 6th, a 7th, and an 8th in octave. Isn't that nice? Once you have a handle on that, do the articulation. It's pretty much the same for both hands, and the staccato is a nice light. Depends on how fast you go, but you can try wrist. It's slur. Separate it. This note from the first staccato. Don't slur 3 notes. It's just 2 note slurs. You lift up. It's not necessarily short. It's not a staccato. It is a staccato sort of, but it's not a short staccato like the others. It just lift up. So forth. And then on measure 8, you have a staccato and a tenuto together, and that's a portato. That is a long staccato. You separate them almost like 8th notes. Just play them like an 8th note and an 8th rest type thing. And then you go back to your. And then you have the portatos again at the end. And the half note's no staccato there. You're going to hold that out for the full 2 counts. Linger on the note. Then, dynamics. This can be both hands here. Moderately loud, whatever you think that is. You're staying there until measure 9, and then you're going to echo that. You're going to be very soft. Measure 13, you're going to crescendo back up to loud, but don't get loud until the half note. So it's measure 13, you're soft. Then you're moderately soft, moderately loud, loud. You like a measure at a time. So, speed-wise, well, just have fun with it. That's how fast you go with it. Whatever. It has to be accurate, so don't overdo that. You take it your scherzando speed, not mine. So whatever, if this is it, close enough. If that's how fast you want to go, it has to be accurate and controlled. I'd like to play it with you very slowly to double check these notes, the rhythm shouldn't be a problem. They're eighth notes mostly. So I'll give us 2 counts, 2 quarter note counts. I'll go ready and go in. That's 2. And let's ready and go. Ready and go and.